tortoise is a fairly common and familiar animal to each of us. However, there are many strange and interesting things about them that we do not know yet. The tortoises in this video surprise many people with their bizarre shapes, perfect textures and unique features that you've certainly never seen before. Here are the top 6 most beautiful tortoise species in the world that you may not know. Top 6. Hermann's tortoise. The scientific name is Testudo hermanni. Hermann's tortoise has a special beauty with a thick shell of outstanding yellow color, evenly textured. This is a very popular pet tortoise in Europe. Hermann's tortoise is found in Mediterranean European countries, including Greece, Romania, Italy, and Bulgaria. Hermann's tortoise population is declining, and the species is classed as endangered. There are currently more Hermann's tortoises in captivity than there are in the wild. In terms of appearance, Hermann's tortoises have yellow, brown, or orange shells with striking black markings. It's difficult to tell the Eastern Hermann's tortoise apart from the Western Hermann's tortoise. However, the Western subspecies have a slightly higher domed shell. The lifespan of tortoises is very long. The oldest known Hermann's tortoise in UK was over 110 years. This is a rare case, but a happy and healthy Hermann's tortoise should be expected to live for over 50 years. Testudo hermanni is almost entirely herbivorous. Apart from eating plants and fruits, the Hermann's tortoise supplements its diet with small insects, earthworms, snails, mushrooms, algae, carrion, dung, feathers, and bones. Top 5. The red-footed tortoise. The scientific name is Chelonoidis carbondrius. Red-footed tortoise is one of the most beautiful colored tortoise. This is the most popular pet tortoise in America. The red-footed tortoise gets its name from the unique red, orange, and yellow markings found on not only its feet but also its legs, head, and tail. These bright colorations are one of many reasons for why they are popular. This tortoise makes an excellent pet because of their unique personalities and ease of care. They thrive in captivity and are best suited to people who maintain a daily schedule and want a lifelong friend. They can live for up to 90 years. Red-footed tortoises are native to grasslands and forests of Central and South America. They have a broad geographic range and can be found from the Eastern Andes to Brazil, Bolivia, and Argentina. Through eating fruits and excreting the seeds, these tortoises help to disperse seeds all over the forest floor. In the wild they are primarily herbivores and eat a diet consisting of various grasses, leafy plants, flowers, fungi, and fruits. Very occasionally they may snack on small slow-moving invertebrates. Top 4. Sulcata tortoise. The scientific name is Sulcata geocolon. With an extremely large body, the Sulcata tortoise is the third largest tortoise in the world, after the Aldabra and Galapagos tortoise. This is one of the world's most popular pet tortoise species because of its cuteness when it's hatched and its giant size when it's grown. Adult male tortoises can weigh nearly 90 kilograms and reach nearly 90 centimeters. Female tortoises tend to be smaller, but can still reach close to 45 kilograms. This tortoise is native to Africa. They are found in the Sahara and Sahel regions. In these arid regions, this tortoises burrow in the ground to reach areas with higher humidity, and spend the hottest part of the day in these burrows. This is called aestivation, similar to hibernation. In the wild, they can dig very deep burrows up to 15 meters. The Sulcata tortoise has prominent features such as legs with large sharp claws and spines. Their dominant colors are brown and yellow. Sulcata tortoises are herbivores. Primarily, their diet consists of a variety of grasses and plants, rich in fiber and very low in protein. It is possible to eat flowers and other plants including rabbit ears cactus. Top 3. Leopard tortoise. The scientific name is Stygmacheles pudlis. Leopard tortoise make a strong impression because their shells have perfect patterns like a leopard. This is a high-class pet in countries around the world. Their main colors are yellow, white, black and brown. Their flawless beauty conquers even the most fastidious people. In addition, they are also the 4th largest tortoise in the world and the 2nd largest in Africa, after the sulcata tortoise. They have a fairly large average size of about 46 centimeters and weigh 18 kilograms for an adult tortoise. But with well-raised, dominant gene tortoises, they can reach a size of 60-70 centimeters and can weigh up to 55 kilograms. In adult size, their carapace will protrude to look cool and eye-catching. They are widely distributed across the arid and savanna regions of eastern and southern Africa, extending from South Sudan and Somalia, across East Africa, to South Africa and Namibia. Leopard tortoises live up to 80 years old and even more when in good health. In terms of food, they eat high-fiber plants and very little protein like the sulcata tortoise. In addition, cacti, succulents or aloe are also their favorite foods. Top 2. Indian star tortoise. The scientific name is Geocolon elegans. It is impossible not to mention this tortoise in the list of the most beautiful tortoises in the world. With patterns with stripes on the shell like rays of light from the stars in the mysterious night sky, Indian star tortoises makes others flutter before their beauty. In some eastern countries, owning the Indian star tortoise is said to bring a lot of luck to the owner. The Indian star tortoise is a species of tortoise native to India, Sri Lanka, and southeastern Pakistan. This tortoise is highly tolerant of seasonal wet or dry habitats and is therefore quite adaptable. Unfortunately, the Indian star tortoise is very common in the international exotic pet trade, and this is precisely why it is currently listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List. In terms of longevity, like all tortoises, the Indian star tortoise has a long lifespan. On average, they live 35 to 80 years in the wild. In captivity, they live an average of 25 years. Indian star tortoise is a compact medium-sized tortoise, about 20-35 centimeters in shell length. The food of this tortoise is mostly grass, herbs, flowers and leaves. Sometimes it also eats some fruit and small animal carcasses to supplement its nutrition. Top 1. Radiated tortoise. The scientific name is Aschilus radiata. No need to argue too much. Radiated tortoise is known as the most beautiful tortoise in the world. Their luxurious beauty exudes from the first time we see them. This tortoise is also kept as a pet in some countries, but not everyone can own them, because their price is too high. Radiant tortoise is one of the most hunted tortoise species in the world because of the opportunity to earn money from the trade of this tortoise is extremely large. They are therefore considered to be endangered wildlife species. Radiated tortoises only occur naturally in the extreme southern and southwestern part of the island of Madagascar. They have been introduced to the nearby island of Reunion. Radiated tortoises prefer dry regions of brush, thorn forests and woodlands of southern Madagascar. In terms of appearance, the carapace of the radiated tortoise is brilliantly marked with yellow lines radiating from the center of each dark plate of the shell, hence its name. This star pattern is more finely detailed and intricate than the normal pattern of other star-patterned tortoise species, such as Indian star tortoise. Radiation tortoise can reach up to 15 kilograms in weight and 40 centimeters in length. Radiation tortoises typically live 40 to 50 years, but some have been known for more than 100 years. The oldest tortoise ever recorded with certainty is Chiwemelila, who died at an estimated age of 188. A tortoise named Atwater is widely believed to be even older after its death in 2006. The radiated tortoise is a primarily herbivorous animal, and although the majority of its diet is comprised of plant matter, they are known to supplement their nutrition by eating a small animal every now and again. Despite this, they need a high fiber and low protein diet to survive the most successfully. In a book written about tortoises from around the world, the radiated tortoise is said to be particularly partial to eating foods that are red in color. Those are the top 6 most beautiful tortoise species in the world. Hopefully, the above knowledge will help you have more necessary knowledge about tortoises. For you, which tortoise species is the most beautiful? Please comment below to let everyone know. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next video.